Another one of those are personal awards. And it's really easy to honor our kids. Our kids have gone through, all of the soccer games and the practices and the races and all of the events that we took them to and the dance recitals and all the things that we paid for. And so the trophies honor the parent as well as the child. And so there's never a reason where we want to take them down. But again, this goes back to something similar that we were just talking about when it comes to the religious artifacts or the other personalized items. By having all the trophies there, you feel like you're walking into someone else's life. And it can be a disconnect, especially if you yourself were the athlete, but you never won any trophies. All that does then is highlight the misgivings you had about maybe you weren't so successful, or maybe you had kids and they didn't win. And so, well, I wish my kid had a whole wall of trophies. Like, who are these people or whatever? Um, Aaron, what is your thought on that?
Yeah, I can't tell you how many houses I've been in where the conversation starts happening around the trophies in the house. Oh, my kid's also in Little League, and this is the school, and blah blah blah. And now we're talking about their family, and not the client, so to speak. We're talking about the people's family of the house we're in. And they're like, oh, I wonder if I know these people. I wonder if they go to the same school. Oh, that kid's against my school. And the conversation goes away from the house and the living area to like what's going on with the family dynamics between this family that they don't. And so I definitely recommend, if possible, you're going to want each room to look like that Airbnb, that comfortable, inviting, neutral. I could just spend all of my day in here, sitting on this sofa or hanging out on the bed. And those are the kind of spaces you want to create. If you leave trophies up, it's going to derail the buyers coming into the house. And then the conversation goes to knickknacks and trophies, and again, not about the house.